It's a real honor to do what we do every day. It's also a huge responsibility.
The work we do is going to last for decades, maybe for generations.
So when you care about doing it right, you're always keeping that in mind.
Insulation is kind of the building block for everything else.
Owens Corning has great products. They always have been an industry leader, but it really comes down to the people at Owens Corning.
We're looking at how does our solution meet the need today? And how is it going to perform 40 or 50 years from now?
There's a lot of moving parts in this business. We're always thinking about the best way to meet the code, to meet the budget, to meet the deadline.
And when it comes to insulation, there's one company we trust to help us do all that.
Building professionals tell us they choose PINK because it performs. But for us, that's just the beginning. We're looking at the impact we make on our customers, our communities, and our world. From the ingredients that go into our products and the energy used to make them, to the person working in the warehouse or installing insulation day after day, to the homeowner who wants to know their home is safe, quiet, comfortable, and energy smart. We're working with builders and contractors who care about safety, precision, comfort, and sustainability to deliver a material difference today and pave the way for the next generation. Because at Owens Corning, we don't just make insulation. We make home a better place to be.